Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Video Class 6th, Chapter 6th, and we are on question number 4, addition. Okay, so now these are integers, so we have certain rules in case of adding integers, so that we'll see. Okay, you can see I have to add numbers. Two numbers 13 and 15 are taken with different combination of signs, plus, minus, and all. Let's see. So 13 and 15. Now here both are positive. So when both integers are positive, what to do? When both integers are positive, you have to add them. See, I've written in the bracket what has to be done when both the integers are positive. So both are positive. So 13 plus 15. This plus is why question is add. So this plus 13 plus 15. Question is add. So plus. So what you have to do? You have to add when both are positive. Just add them. After adding, I got 28 and assign plus sign if you want. Okay. Next is minus 13 and 15. Now in this case, you will see one integer is minus, another is plus. So any one integer is, if any one integer is negative, what you will do? This is the example when one integer is negative. So here minus 13 is negative. So 13 is negative. So when any one integer is negative, you have to subtract. So minus 13 plus 15. Again you will say we have to subtract y plus because question is add. So minus 13 plus, because question is add, 15. And what you will do when one sign is minus, out of 2, subtract. So 15 minus 13, 2. Now assign sign. Assign greater integers sign. Means after subtracting, 15 minus 13 I have done, plus 2 I have got. Now which sign I should assign? Check 13 is greater or 15 is greater. You know that 15 is greater. So what 15 sign is there? Plus. So I have to write here plus. Okay. So whenever out of two integers, if one integer is negative, you have to subtract and assign sign of greater integer. Okay. So let's see the next. 13 and minus 15, you can see here it is also same, any one integer is negative. So here, so when what you will do when any one integer is negative, you will subtract. So I have subtracted 13 plus y plus, because addition is the question. So 13 plus minus 15, you have to subtract. So 15 minus 13, 2. Now in this case 15 is greater. 15 is greater and its sign is minus. So minus 2. Okay. Fourth one you will see minus 13 and minus 15. So you will see minus 13 and minus 15, both integers are negative. When both integers are negative, you have to add the numbers. So 13 plus 15 is 28 and assign minus sign. So I have assigned here minus sign. Means when both the integers are negative, add them. 13 plus 15, 28 and assign sign of minus. These are the rules of addition. You can do 5th one homework and 6th one homework because it is similar. We have solved it before in this. Okay. So go through it. Now we'll see question number 5. So we have done this 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Oh, I am really sorry. There is no 5th and 6th. Okay. So question number 5, you can see question number 5 is nothing but question number 4, because you have to apply whatever rules we have studied in question number 4, you have to apply in question number 5. Okay. So let's see, 259 and 214 both are positive. First rule, when both are positive, what you have to do? You have to just add them. So just add them and write down the answer and plus sign will come. Second one, you can see both are negative. So when both are negative, what you are supposed to do? When both are negative, what I have to do is I have to add them. I have to add them. Okay. When two integers are negative, I have to add them. And after adding, assign minus sign. You have to add 528 and 243 and you have to assign minus sign. This also we have studied in the, just add it please. And this also we have studied in previous question. Okay, so 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th are homework. Now we'll have the rules of subtraction. You can see subtraction is nothing but it's very easy. Like, okay, you don't have to struggle a lot once you are perfect in addition. So question number 6 we will say 5 from 8. Subtract 5 from 8. So from 8 you have to subtract. So 8 has to be taken first. So 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Whatever rules we have studied for subtraction in nursery or not in nursery, KG, we are utilizing 8 minus. From 8 subtract 5. So 8 should be written first. This number should be written first. Minus 5. Why minus? Because we are subtracting. Question is subtraction. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Question number second is minus 5 from 8. So I told you from whatever is written that should come first. So 8 minus, why minus? We are subtracting, and why this minus 5? Because question is that. So from 8 subtract minus 5. Okay. Now this in algebraic expression we have studied that before bracket if minus sign is there. Before bracket if minus sign is there, what you will do? You will change the inside sign. So this minus becomes plus. Forget this one now. Before bracket minus sign is there, inside sign has changed. So this minus becomes plus. So 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay. 4 from minus 7. So you know from this I have to subtract. So minus 7. This minus. Why minus? Because question is subtraction, and this 4. So now you know we have studied in addition. When both the integers are negative, you have to add. When both the integers are negative, you have to add. So I have added here. 7 plus 4 is 11 and an assigned sign of minus. Okay. Minus 8 from minus 2. So minus 2, where is minus 2? From here I have to subtract this. So minus 2 minus minus 8. Why minus? Because we are subtracting this minus. So minus 2 subtract minus 8 subtracted from minus 2. Okay. So now before bracket minus is there. So this minus 8 becomes plus 8. Here change of sign is there. Okay. Why? Because before bracket minus is there. Now one is negative, other is positive. You know that if any one sign is negative, you have to subtract. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and which is greater, 2 or 8? 8 is greater. So what is its sign? Plus. So here plus will come. Okay. Let's see next. Minus 3 from 12. So 12, you know this number has to be written first. So 12 minus minus 3. Minus, this minus is because subtraction question is going on, and this minus we have 3. We have to subtract. Before bracket minus sign is there. So this minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. Minus 6 from minus 3. This will be written first. Minus 3. This minus because we are subtraction. Question is subtraction. And this minus 6. Okay. So this minus 3. Before bracket minus is there. So minus becomes plus. Means you have to change the sign. So minus 3 plus 6. One is negative. Other is positive. I have told you if any one sign is negative. If any one sign is negative, you have to subtract. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And which is greater, 3 or 6? 6 is greater. So assign plus. Okay. So see children, question number 7, I want to give you homework. You have to follow all rules of question number 6. But if you feel you are not able to solve question number 7, please intimate me. I'll explain in the upcoming video. Okay. So thank you so much. Question number 7 you can solve according to question number 6. Okay. Thank you so much and please take care.